Office condo for sale, Charlotte, North Carolina. That's what we are talking about today. Let's take a look. This is 1212 Man Drive, just came on the market. Amazing office condo in South Charlotte, Matthews area. Let's get inside and take you on a very quick tour of this property. Then right here, see right here, you've got a nice check-in, check-out station right here. You could have an admin in here. See right here is a nice smaller waiting room area. All right, let's come in through here. Great layout. You've got right here a small office, could be storage right here. Then right here is the other side of the check-in, check-out station. So you see it's got a nice window right there. All very good size office spaces within the office condo here. Next office, light, bright, all has natural light from windows. Here we go. The corner office right here, 2 windows. Very nice. Big, could be even a conference room if you'd like. Nice space there. Okay, come in here. Next office, another window. And then out here, depending on if you have a practice, you want to have a nurse's station, or if you want to have a workstation for admin, if you're a professional small business person. Perfect area for it. Look right here, you've got a kitchen. Right here, a place for a full-size refrigerator. And then back in here, a storage area. And we have some plumbing here. We're not sure if that was used for a sink before or not, but we could check that out if there's an interest. Okay, let's go through here. Nice division. Oh, let me back up. Look right here. Okay, say you wanted to have like this space rented and this space for your own over here. Yeah, easily you could do that. All right, let's keep going. Come through here, you've got a nice office right here. And I've got all the dimensions for these offices. I have put those in the description down below with a link to the floor plan and the pricing. All the details for the property are in the description down below. All right, so let's keep going. Office here, very nice. Just kind of give you a view of the work area there. Look, another sink. Nice. This one does have a private restroom with it as well. Okay, so you come back here. This is a very large office. Could be a conference room. And what I love, look at this. You've got the door leading back out this way to the hall, to the entrance. So very discreet, coming and going if you need to, or you could have this as a separate rented space, right? Very cool. All right, let's take a look right here. You've got your private bath. As I mentioned, this is our hallway coming back out. And then you're back around to the front. Very cool. Okay, let's take a look back outside real quick. Let you look around. Very nice. Private, quiet, all professional folks in here. Very nice. Office condo for sale, Charlotte, Matthews area. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you like this video, check out the other videos. I've got plenty on office space for sale and for lease in the Charlotte and Matthews area. Thanks again. Have a great day.